So here we have the Mercedes-Benz E200 SE automatic on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a four-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot area, you'll notice we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left there, we've got the fuel gauge. We have the speedometer in the middle and the rev counter on the right-hand side. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles for this car of 14,807. You can see what gear the car is currently in, so it's highlighting P for park at the moment. We've got reverse, neutral and drive all highlighted up there as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, we've got buttons up here that will change our various screens within the trip computer. And over on the right hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired the phone, which is done on the central screen, and we'll come to that in just a moment. Underneath the steering wheel, if it will zoom in on it properly, you can see that we've got, there you go, cruise control and speed limiter as well. So backing out and towards the central screen area, this is where you can make adjustments to the audio, satellite navigation, your phone, all kinds of things. And everything you can see me doing with regards to movement, it's all being done using this control lever just here. So for example, we have satellite navigation. If you want to go back a page, we can do. Or what we can do is down on the main stereo unit is go into certain menus directly. So if you want to pair your phone, you press the telephone menu. And that's now the menu we're in. Radio, same sort of scenario. Navi, exactly the same again. So if we go back to the radio there, this car has got various different, if we go down to the bottom, presets and frequencies available to us. So frequency entry, we've got FM, AM, and DAB digital radio, you can see on there. So DAB, FM, medium wave, short wave, and long wave. So you can get basically any station you want to up there. Beyond that, we have a CD player, we have auxiliary and USB inputs, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. There are full videos showing the satellite navigation working on our website. Working our way down from that, we have the main stereo unit, so the CD player is in there, the buttons that I mentioned a moment ago, you can also answer and end phone calls from here, as well as on the steering wheel. And then underneath that, we have heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, same on the passenger side. And then we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature within the car. You can turn the air conditioning on or off from here. Temperature up or down for the driver's side or the passenger side. You can do it independently if you wish to. Once you hit auto, the car will maintain those temperatures by taking control of the fan speed itself. If you want to override that, just readjust the fan speed to your liking. And then mode is where you can choose where within the car the air is being distributed. We then have this cubbyhole area which opens up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket. The buttons I was on about a moment ago, and if we press this button, this will open up the central armrest where we've got USB input, as you can see just there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.